Alright guys, this is BMX Sapient. This is my second bike check. Here I have red ODI long grips, stock brakes, stock handlebars, stock headset, stock seat. I might be getting a new one, so this will be in my soon giveaway. And so will these stunt pegs. My three-piece crank. It's a good crank. I recommend it getting a Sapient for your first bike if you don't really have any experience with BMXs like me. I just started, so that's what I chose to get. These pegs will be in my giveaway soon, and so will the seat. The seat is really nice, leather. No stock hubs, nothing new. I have my KMC chain. It's really nice and tight. I like that, nice and tight. May need to tighten it eventually, but yeah. So far, all I've really learned is a fakie. Soon I'm gonna make a video about a fakie on, just to show you guys how, if you don't know. And, yeah, thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe, like, bye.